Welcome into this video. Welcome. I was just on my way to Buckingham Palace because I got this GoPro mounted on to my bike. Well, more like sellotape, but whatever. I'm gonna get crazy shots riding through London during this epidemic. It is not as empty as it was because it's sunny out and everyone's out. But before I do that, before I show you those shots, let me share this with you. This is on the way to Buckingham Palace, just next to Albert Hall, just after High Kensington Street. If you're ever in London, look it up. Absolutely gorgeous. Making friends here. Hey, meet Ronald. Meet Wendy. She's pretty uptight though, you see? She's already walking away on me. Anyway, let's go to Buckingham Palace. Let's go. As you can see, the guards up there still marching. Got safely to Buckingham Palace, as you can see clearly, and I'm loving the weather, loving the atmosphere. So many cyclists around. Thought I would be alone. Definitely not. And I can't really get closer anymore because see that police car right there? It's like a van. They've been going around and telling people to piss off pretty much. They were like, "Sir, you gotta move," and I was like, "Okay, bye." Anyway, gotta move on. Going to, where am I going? Big Ben, I think. Let's get it. Alright, as you can see, London isn't that quiet anymore like it used to be. I was here about a week ago and it was much quieter, but let's appreciate this view for a second. Wow, there's Big Ben under construction. And I saw this pretty cool stuff on the way here, but because there's army men and policemen, not sure if I can record there, but it's like 2-minute bike ride, so I'm gonna bike there and ask them if I can. Hi, is it okay if I pet the horse, or is that cool? Is it not? Okay. Never. You guys have to be here 24/7? Or, yeah? Okay. Wow. There's normally more of you, isn't it? It's because of the COVID, isn't it? Yeah. Alright. Thanks, man. Thank you. Okay, so that guy didn't really talk that much. It was sort of awkward It was sort of awkward keeping a conversation with him. All he did, as you saw, he just nodded. He was the yes man. He looked at the camera for a second. Ah, well. After all, he let me record. So, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Hey, shout out to Andre Symes for my gear, Genesis. Either someone fainted or got arrested, so let's check it out. Something went down, something serious. As you can see, this place isn't as quiet as it was about a week ago. Nowhere near. Nowhere near that. It's pretty packed compared to last week. But hey, it's Easter, it's 25 degrees out. It's like 80 degrees Fahrenheit for y'all watching in America or whatnot. But look at this view. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, I think before I go, I'm just gonna quickly throw in some cinematic footage of this area, shall we? I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe, share, and y'all have an amazing day. And there's much more content coming soon. Peace.